how's your water? Oh, I can open this up. I just want to check your water and see. See, that's dirty. Let me clean it. Okay, there's that one. Oh, do we need more water? We need more water. Oh, they all went out there. They all went out there to find some bugs. The chickens.
They're drinking water out of the puddle.
Oh, is that what's happening? Well, that's good. That's good. Chickens. There's better water over here. Now they're nice and quiet. Oh my gosh.